Okay, yeah, yeah. And I guess we'll end off with this. So you mentioned that you worked full time at Best Buy, and also running your digital marketing agency that's been running now for 14 years. And you've also mentioned that you multiple businesses you've gone into, like coaching, as well as a couple others. So you're like a proper entrepreneur. So I wanted to ask, like, what would your advice be for upcoming entrepreneurs or like current business owners?
That's a good question. I guess the biggest advice would be to, you know, uh, number one, have a big dream, have a big goal, a lofty goal. Like if you want to start a big company or a big enterprise or whatever that is, make sure you have that lofty goal. But at the same time, do not underestimate the value of a good 8 hour shift. Where even if you're working at a gas station, wherever you are in your journey right now, you know, uh, don't be like, taking shortcuts on your current job and just thinking that, hey, I'm not going to do my best here because I'm going to be an entrepreneur anyways, right? So you got to give 100% to where you committed, where who's paying your bills at this time, and still have a nice and big goal, right? That's the only way to get to that. There's a company called Accenture. I think they may have changed their name now, but they used to have this ad uh, run which had Tiger Woods on that ad, and he was doing a like really nice drive. And you might be able to find this ad somewhere if you do some Google search, Tiger Wood and Accenture ads. And that ad said in a circle with Tiger Woods' drive that 50% of our effort is uh, willingness to change, and the other 50% is relentless consistency. So I think the willingness to change is really in my, what I'm trying to explain is that, you have that goal that you're going to open up a company or a digital marketing agency or whatever that is. You have that goal, but you're also like extremely consistent at what you're doing right now. Because at the end of the day, your work ethic is going to get you through all the hard times and all of that stuff. And you're building your work ethic right now at the particular job or at the stage that you're at, even if you're a student. So make sure you build out a strong work ethic, but also have a big, big goal and vision. And that worked for me. So